All right, thank you for joining us. The government has agreed to amend the Peaceful Assembly Act 2012 to simplify the process for the public to hold peaceful gatherings in the country. Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim told the Dewan Rakyat that the proposed amendments set to be tabled in the next parliamentary session will include the removal of Section 11, which currently requires approval from the owner of the assembly site. However, organisers must notify the police at least 5 days in advance before the gathering to allow authorities to take necessary measures for security, crowd control and traffic management.
Dengan ini, beberapa tindakan sebelum ini termasuk umpamanya siasatan terhadap perhimpunan anti rasuah yang melibatkan mahasiswa, semua siasatan itu akan dihentikan dan tidak akan ada tindakan yang diambil. Begitu juga tentang mogok lapor dan bantahan ataupun tunjuk perasaan oleh SOSMA beberapa hari yang lalu juga tidak akan diambil apa-apa tindakan.
During the minister's question time, Anwar said even though the proposed amendment would only be tabled at the next parliament session, the moratorium on the act would apply for the time being. On whether the government is prepared to review or abolish SOSMA, Anwar agreed that the law should be clear and not be misused for other purposes as experienced in cases involving the Internal Security Act. However, he said no country in the world, including Malaysia, is exempt from the threat of terrorism, and it cannot be taken lightly and requires specific laws.
Jadi sementara kita menyokong kebebasan dan demokrasi, kita harus bedakan tentang ada dan masih ada unsur-unsur yang membawa kepada keganasan dan terorisme yang memerlukan satu undang-undang yang agak lain daripada kaedah yang dikenakan sekarang.
Baik, saya jemput arah.